Yo, I have practiced so many manifesting techniques, but there is this one technique I found like almost like 3 months ago, and I can tell you it is working like crazy. Some things that I'm just putting out in the universe in a span of, let's say, like 5 minutes, others 24 hours, and it is something tangible, like it's blowing my mind like crazy. But one thing we always say, when it comes to manifesting, you have to learn how to detach. The moment you detach, your manifestation will just be like, just like. So this simple manifesting technique, it's called, can I please have more? Yes, it is as simple as that. You're telling the universe that yes, okay, how you go about it, it's more of I am grateful for the money that I have. Can I please have more? I am grateful for my florid skin. Can I please have more? You are grateful. Um, when you are grateful for where you are and whatever you have, the universe has no other option but to be, it is as simple as when you have bought something. Let's say you have given a candy to your kid, and they're like, oh mama, I'm so thankful, thank you for this candy. You just feel like tomorrow you just have to buy another candy for that kid. The same with the universe. I can't even stay in one place because it is like, I feel it's like it's bubbling, it's coming up here, because I have seen more money coming into my experience simply because I'm like, I am grateful. I am grateful for the money that I have. I'm grateful for this opportunity that I have. Can I please have more? The universe is a way of listening to us. It does not listen to you want more or you don't want it. It kind of hears, not it kind of, it hears whatever you're putting out there. If at all your focus is on money. Now, if at all, sometimes we can manifest, I know, unconsciously, but imagine how powerful you can be when you manifest consciously. So it is as simple as that. I'm not doing a long video. It is as simple as, can I have more, please? Can I please have more? Yes, I am grateful for my life the way it is, but can I have more of it? I am grateful for the lover. Can I have more of what I have in terms of not having 3 husbands or 2 husbands? More of, he's taking me out on a picnic. He's treating me all this nice. He's taking me to dinner. But can I have more of this? Trust you me, I have been practicing it for almost 3 months, and it is working wonders. Come say hi. Oh God, we are still mothers. I am grateful for this boy. Can I please have more? No. Can I please have more? Ducky ducky. Say, can I please have more? More. More. Say bye. Bye. Love you. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. So it's more of, can I please have more? As simple and as clear and as straight as that. Try it and put it on my description box. If I told you I've been trying it, put it on the comment section. If I told you you're planning to go and try it, just comment, can I please have more? And I know that you are on your way to manifesting the dream, the life of your dream. So let me bring it to a close. Oh God. Ooh, my stand. I have to log off. My name is Elizabeth. As always, don't leave without subscribing, sharing, and liking. And as always, keep it level up with jockey.